Hey guys, Ben Simpson here at Simpson Vlogs and welcome to another unboxing video. I know, loads and loads of unboxings are happening here on the channel, but Amazon came at the perfect time, early in the day, just after I finished recording two other videos. I say perfect time, I've got a pop noodle right here next to me. Pop noodle, I was about to start eating it, but the AirPods Pro are here. So, sit back, grab a snack, grab a drink. Kick your feet up as we unbox the AirPods Pro. Please like, comment, subscribe down below, of course. Hit that bell notification, it really does help out here on Simpson Vlogs. And of course, check out Simpson Players as well as simpsonplayers.com. Both you can find gameplay videos on, and on simpsonplayers.com you can also find these vlogs. So, there's also TikTok as well, and Instagram, where the teaser to this will be put up. So check all that out as well. Right, let's open this up then. Scissors there. Snip, snippy, snip. Hope you guys are doing well. This has been an expensive start to the new year for me. As you can tell from all the unboxing videos and whatnot. Right. Alright, put scissors, dash to one side. My dad was saying this earlier, Amazon are so wasteful with their stuff. Like, look at all this. Look at all this entire big ass box and all this paper packaging on the inside. Just for this little dinky thing. Look at it, it's ridiculous. But yeah, here are the AirPods Pro. So, let's dash that to one side, get all this fluff off me, put in the bin. Let's open it up then. So nice easy peel off, get onto that, inside that plastic. Alright, put that to the side. Now, interestingly enough, if you haven't checked that out already in the last video, in my 2021 tech video, you can check out the links to the AirPods Pro on Amazon, and I think they should still be on 5 months of easy payments. So what do you get inside the box? So, get the standard Apple stuff. Smells nice. Smells nice and new. Standard instruction manual, not that I'll need it. I've already set up AirPods before. All sorts of other stuff you might want to read or care about. A lot of it's just legal stuff that Apple kind of are obliged to by international, American and European law to put into. And what do we get inside of here? Do we get anything else? So you open up, so might as well show you guys this. Inside the case, after you take the AirPods out, there's a little flap there, pull it out, and inside is a USB-C charger. So it's USB-C to Lightning charger. The AirPods, incidentally, are also wirelessly charged. Oh! Also inside the flap is where you get the extra spare buds to put on the AirPods. Lovely. I was wondering, like, where are those? Where are those? Thank you, Apple. Well, thank you, Amazon, as well, for being delivered. But thank you, Apple, for inventing these beautiful things. Put that to one side. Let's unbox the plastic. So these do have Magsafe Charging, for those of you who care about such things. Ow. Why cut myself there? Oh, it's an old wound that's come a bit undone. Oh well, right. So these do have Magsafe Charging. So to pair these, you simply hold that down. I think. Where's my phone? That's the charger to one side. Let's open this up then. So yes, Amazon, thank you. I've got the parcel. You could have told me it was coming though. So flick open them, and here are the nice shiny new AirPods on the inside. And look, they've come up on here. So let's connect. Connect my AirPods Pro. Press once on either AirPod to play. Okay. Nice control. Press and hold either AirPod to switch to noise cancelling and transparency mode. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Volume slider. Yeah, I know. I know how this. Oh yeah. I was so happy. Oh my goodness. I was gonna wait till AirPods Pro 2 came out. And I just can't. I can't wait anymore. Announce calls. Ben's AirPod Pros. It's always weird how one of them always comes more charged than the others. Like the left ear is on 78%, the right one's on 43%, and the case is on 69%. Oh dear. Right. I think, wait, is that transparency mode on? Guys, oh my gosh, I can't hear anyone. I can't hear it. I can't. Wow. There's a lot of noise in the background. What's all that noise? Oh, that's my PlayStation making all that noise. But I can't hear anything with these in. Wait. I can't tell. Wait, how do I put on thingy mode? Okay, that's transparency mode. I can hear everything very loudly now. I can't hear anything. Wow. So I got distracted. One of my favourite songs just came on. Right, let me take these out. Actually, no. First thing we should do is obviously the shake test. So, I'm giving myself a headache and the side shake test. These are just with the standard ones that they came in, the buds that they came on. So I've not changed the buds or anything. Let's do the standard shake test, okay? Alright, everything seems good there. Oh, I can feel it coming loose. I can feel it coming loose. Yeah, it came loose. But I was with vigorous shaking. What left one? My brain is hurting. My brain is hurting. This one's not coming out. Okay. Wow. Right. So the sound sounds amazing, by the way. The sound is absolutely outstanding. And this is unbelievable how good it is to just keep these in. I don't know if I like the controls on these compared. So it's one tap to start playing, one tap to pause, double tap to go forward, 3 taps to go backwards, hold for transparency mode. I can still hear the music and I'm hearing the outside world. Unbelievable, wow. Also, for those of you who want to know what my favourite song is right now, it is Big Dog by Kalan.frfr. I don't even know who that is, but the song's lit. I love it. That's what I'm listening to right now. Literally, I'm listening to that while I'm making the video to you guys. This is unbelievable. AirPods will change your life. The transparency mode is one of the best modes ever created. Noise cancelling was a different thing. Right, when that came out, I remember when I put headphones on one time and noise cancelling, first time I experienced it, the world went away. These don't quite make the world go away, but they're good. Like they will stop noise. Like I can't hear the blaring of my PlayStation as much as I could without them in. Like without them in. And then noise cancelling. Can't hear nothing. I don't hear the PlayStation at all. I barely hear myself. So put transparency back on, which is just a long press. Yeah, I can get used to these controls. And yeah. So yeah, I recommend buying them. AirPods Pro, I already knew I was going to recommend buying them. AirPods Pro get a 10 out of 10 from me all the time. The only thing that needs to be improved is noise cancelling. So you know what, I'll give it a 9. I'll be a bit more less Apple fanboy. I'll give it a 9, just because they can improve noise cancelling. Like I said, it comes with spare pods and it comes with the standard big case that we've all come accustomed to, or white case. But yeah, it does have Magsafe Charging now. Oh, so annoying how everything has to be USB-C. Thanks, Europe. Right, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and as I undo this ridiculously well packed up charger, and I'll add that to the rest of my chargers that I carry around with me, and I'll pause the song. I'm going to thank you for watching. I hope you had fun. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Hit the bell notification to keep up to date with everything here on Simpson Vlogs. And of course, if you want to check out Simpson Plays, that's linked down in the description, along with TikTok, Instagram, Rizzle, and Twitter. All for lovely faces to continue to enjoy more content from me. Until next time, guys, that's peace from me and the AirPods.